Are you draining the Earl? Draining the Earl.
Long ago, when dinosaurs finally died, their bones and skin became 5W20. We must drain it out of the engine so we can replace the oil pan.
So what other line do you gotta take off?
I gotta take this one off because this is a sweet tapped oil pan. Yeah!
It's a what?
It's a tapped oil pan.
Oh.
It's the return line from the turbo.
Oh, okay.
So we have to put the stock oil pan back on because it came with the Descendant World Racing trademark kit.
I'm here in my garage. But you know what I really like about my garage? My Justin Bieber poster. What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be part 2 of the XB teardown. So today we're gonna get the rest of the turbo off. We're gonna get the oil pan switched over because it's a tapped oil pan. We gotta put the stock oil pan back on. We're gonna get the bags ready to come off. We took the airlines out of the management system so we can push them up. And then I think that's all we're gonna do today. I'm not sure what else we're gonna do, who knows, but
Turbo's coming out.
Alright.
What are you set? You're still attached.
It's gonna come out, bitch. Oh, it is, eh?
Beautiful. Look at that AN fitting.
Watch the pieces. She just had me like, oh.
what size turbo is that?
This is a 64 AR hot side. It's a little baby turbo.
Oh.
Capable of making 1,700 wheel horsepower. Which way do you want it? This way? This way?
Other way. Other way.
Alright.
Oh God.
It's gonna spill. I guarantee you it's gonna spill. Here at the Mally's Chocolate Factory.
Oh God.
You're doing okay. Keep going.
6 days later.
Thanks. Where's my others? The pepperoni. Draining the coolant. Well, no shit. No. Well, I don't want it to splash all over you. Stop.
Oh, it just magically started flowing faster. What is this? Oh, it froze.
What is it? Is it an escape?
It froze.
Is that the escape oil?
Oh, it was rendering.
Get it? Oh. Is it just spinning? Yeah. Hold on. I'm holding. Oh, there we go. Alright, go ahead. Alright, pull it out.
Okay, 1 second.
You're the camera. Okay, I'm out. DP is coming out. Hopefully.
There we go.
Yes, it worked. Yeah. Pull. Pull.
So what is this?
This is stock water deck. So when you have the turbo on there, the company provided one that routes it further away.
Oh,
So
that doesn't bend as much as this one.
Right, because this would interfere with the downpipe.
Oh,
So it
okay.
moves it.
So what is this?
That is a vacuum distribution block.
And what does that do?
Because there's limited vacuum sources to tap off. So there's a vacuum feed from the engine, which feeds the brake booster, the FIC, gauges, whatever other garbage is vacuum operated on this car.
the stock injector spec. Correct.
Yes. Taking out the injectors that came with the kit and installing the stock injectors.
What size injectors are the stock? Well, what are the stock ones compared to those?
Pretty much bigger than the smaller. I have no idea. I cannot remember. They're probably in the 750 range, I'd imagine. Alright guys, remember, use the gasoline that has dripped down on your intake manifold to lubricate both sides. Why don't you want to go? Because it's the wrong hole, you dipshit. I'm not the brightest when it comes to cars or life in general.
Alright everybody, so that wraps it up for another day. This is part 2. Mike's putting the stock injectors back in. Brake cleaner. So I don't know when are we doing it again? Never. We're just gonna leave it. Just gonna leave it right there. We're just gonna leave it here on jack stands for a while. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching.